I've got to say, you know, it's not easy going first, so a big thank you to these guys for being patient.
I think I'm incredibly proud that CQM have come together with Premier Foods and OAL in partnership to deliver this apprenticeship.
I think the programme's really delivered. I've seen apprentices come in from either having a small amount of skills or a lot of experience, or some people totally new to food and drink. They've really developed themselves. They've really grown in self-confidence, and I think I'm personally proud of delivering that and being involved with it at Premier as well.
What you guys are in actuality is trailblazers, because you are the first ones ever to do it, and that's CQM being a trailblazer, and let every one of you being a trailblazer.
We've had all the coursework to do, so linking that into the work on the shop floor, that helped a lot because we knew what we had to learn, what we had to do.
I think it's opened up a lot of opportunities. I've gained a lot of knowledge, not just in my job, but around all the different areas that there is to work in.
The end product has been absolutely fantastic for all of the learners. They've got a lot out of it, and because of the investment in time that Premier's put in, they've also got a lot out of it.
I think it's very, very important, and obviously it's a milestone, probably for the industry as well. So, thank you very much.